Hello friends, welcome to this video presented by EduSkills. I'm Radha and you're watching this exciting concept of how to study and remember better. So many of us have this issue of not remembering the concepts that we study. It's not the fault of our memory, but it depends on the technique of learning. So in this video, let us learn the art of learning to learn. Before that, there's a paragraph and let's read that. Rice, a staple food for more than half the people in the world, is beneficial for a number of reasons. First, it is a highly nutritious cereal grain, as an important source of carbohydrates, supplying the body with energy. Rice also contains some protein, B vitamins and minerals. Its fat content is negligible and therefore considered a desirable food for those on a restricted diet. In addition, rice is beneficial to the food industry in the preparation of processed foods. For example, it is one of the important ingredients used in breakfast cereals and snack foods. On the other hand, the beverage industry uses rice to make beer and shake. Friends, how many of you are actually able to tell this paragraph without looking at it? If you are able to, then that's great. If not, no worries. I'm very sure that by the end of this video, you will be able to. So friends, let's get started. In this paragraph, the first sentence is, rice, a staple food for more than half the people in the world, is beneficial for a number of reasons. Friends, when we actually talk about rice, we can say how it is cultivated, or we can also say what are the types of rice available. But this sentence specifically says it is beneficial for a number of reasons. Therefore, friends, this phrase is called the controlling idea. It means that the rest of the paragraph is restricted to the discussion of the benefits of rice. So this is called the controlling idea. And friends, you can see some highlighted words in the paragraph like it, its, rice, and some more. So this all these highlighted words stand for the word rice. So it is known as the keyword. What is keyword? Keyword is a word which is repeated for several times in that paragraph. That is called as the keyword. You can also find key phrase in other paragraphs, friends. So in a key phrase, you can find 2 to 3 words together which are repeated several times. And now the sentence which includes the keyword or the key phrase and the controlling idea is known as the topic sentence. Now, what is topic sentence? Topic sentence is the sentence which includes the keyword, the key phrase and the controlling idea. Now, as soon as we identify the topic sentence, we can make out what is the content of the rest of the paragraph. Topic sentence is the main idea of the paragraph. So, this is all about topic sentence. The next concept is transition signal. So friends, in this paragraph, you can find the highlighted word first. So what is that word? So the first sentence is, rice, a staple food for more than half the people in the world, is beneficial for a number of reasons. So this we discussed that it is the topic sentence which includes the keyword and controlling idea. Now, the paragraph is taking a diversion from the topic sentence and it is starting with the first benefit. So first here stands for the first benefit. So since the paragraph is taking a diversion, that word is known as the transition signal. And again, you can see the highlighted word in addition. It means the first benefit is ending there and the second benefit is getting started. So again there is a diversion in the paragraph. So the words in addition are the transition is known as the transition signal. So transition signal means the words, those words which indicate the diversion of the paragraph. Friends, let us conclude the analysis of the paragraph with the last concept. If I make a mere statement that rice is beneficial, that does not make any sense. But if I support that statement with a valid reason, then yes, we can agree upon it. Therefore, the sentence which supports the topic sentence is known as the supporting sentence. The first supporting sentence in this paragraph is, it is a highly nutritious cereal grain. So, it is saying that rice is nutritious and hence it is beneficial. And again, the next sentence says, it is an important source of carbohydrates, supplying the body with energy. Rice contains proteins, B vitamins and minerals. Therefore, friends, all these are the nutritious aspect of rice, which is justifying the supporting sentence. So, therefore, this sentence is known as the developing sentence. So, the developing sentence is the sentence which adds on to the supporting sentence by saying why it is nutritious. Therefore, the supporting sentence is, it is a highly nutritious cereal grain, and the next sentence which is saying it is a source of carbohydrates, it has proteins, B vitamins and minerals, is known as the developing sentence. And again, the next developing sentence is, its fat content is negligible. Again, fat is a nutritious aspect which is again justifying the supporting sentence, but by saying that the fat content is negligible and is a desirable food for restricted diets. So, moving on to the second supporting sentence, it says that rice is beneficial in the food industry in the preparation of processed foods. So, again, it's saying that it is used in the food industry, therefore, it is beneficial. Now, how it is used in food industry, that is the first developing sentence. So, we can see that they have given an example that it is one of the important ingredients used in breakfast cereals and snack foods. So, this becomes the developing sentence. And the second developing sentence is that it is also used, on the other hand, it is used in the beverage industry. The rice is used to make beer and shake. So, this becomes the developing sentences. So, it says that it is used in the cereals and snack foods, and again it is used to make beer. So, this is all about the supporting sentences and the developing sentences. All the aspects put together, we can see that rice is keyword. The next sentence is not very necessary. And the next phrase, beneficial for a number of reasons, is the controlling idea. And these two, that is the keyword and the controlling idea, put together becomes the topic sentence, that is, rice is beneficial for a number of reasons. And the word first is the first transition signal. It is a highly nutritious cereal grain. This sentence will be the first supporting sentence. And the next sentence, the source of carbohydrates, proteins, B vitamins and minerals, these are the first developing sentence. Its fat content is negligible. This becomes the second developing sentence. And the words in addition becomes the second transition signal. And rice is beneficial to the food industry becomes the second supporting sentence. And the next sentence, the example, that is, it is used as an ingredient in the breakfast cereals and snack foods, becomes the first developing sentence. And the usage of rice in beer and other things becomes the second developing sentence. So, all the concepts put together look something like this. So, friends, we can remember this paragraph better with the help of a chart. That is, the benefits of rice are, the first supporting sentence is, it is highly nutritious, and the first developing sentence is, it is a source of carbohydrates, proteins, minerals and B vitamins. The second developing sentence is that its fat content is negligible. Coming to the second supporting sentence, it is used in food industries. The first developing sentence is that it is an important ingredient in the breakfast cereals and snack foods. The second developing sentence is that it is used in the beverages like beer and shake. So, this is the whole chart. Friends, this technique is not only meant for reading, but rather it can be applied when you're writing or speaking or listening. And again, this technique can be applied for your regular studies, that is, to understand the concepts of your syllabus, or while reading an article, an essay or a book, and many more, which has made the learning easy.
Happy learning, guys! Friends, hope you liked the video and you are able to remember the paragraph. Nothing is impossible. And for more detailed discussion of the topic, sentence, keyword, and other concepts, please do watch the video How to Study and Remember Better Part 2, the link for which is given below. And if you find this video beneficial, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.